now that changed a little bit. So they're really only going to be downloading the episode. They're usually, I have to qualify this. They're usually only going to be downloading it if they're active and they keep listening. So Apple's not going to just automatically download a whole bunch. And so what that means is most of you, including me, our download numbers went down and we freaked out. We freaked the F out. We're like, are you kidding me? It was going up and up and up on a consistent basis. And now I feel like I'm starting from scratch. Some of you might have actually felt that way. So all it is to say that you may have noticed that your download numbers dropped over the past few months. It's easily notable that it's just because of this one small change. And you still have the same amount of listeners that you had before. You just don't have those high metrics that were making you feel as proud. It's probably giving you a more realistic number than it was before. So anyway, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on the next episode.